OnePlus 10T is very good smartphone with premium build quality, a great display, top-tier performance, and insanely fast charging speeds. At $650, it's also one of the best value high-end smartphones with Qualcomm's powerful and power-efficient Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. It's the first time a OnePlus T phone is being sold alongside the older model while also bearing a near identical design, but the two phones have quite a lot of differences under their hoods. Thankfully, the OnePlus 10T is a superb phone, but it does struggle to justify its price given the existence of company's own Nord 2T, which has the same rear cameras, performs well for a mid-ranger, and costs a lot less. The screen on the OnePlus 10T is one of the best things about it. It's a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, and it's phenomenal. It's better looking panel than the regular Galaxy S22. OnePlus really knows how to tune its displays. It's also a flat display, so the edges are not curved and don't taper away at the left and right edges like they do on the OnePlus 10 Pro. The punch hole selfie camera is notably in the center at the top for the first time ever on a OnePlus phone. Colors are vivid and vibrant as we have come to expect from top of the line OnePlus phones, and the 120Hz rate means menus and animations are superbly fluid. The phone can adjust between 60Hz, 90Hz and 120Hz depending on what you are doing to save battery life, though the 10 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro can scale these all the way down to 1Hz and 10Hz respectively for even better battery efficiency. With a peak brightness of 950 nits, it's also easy to see everything in direct sunlight, though I still think Samsung's Galaxy S22 Ultra has the 10T beat for outdoor readability. Add in a ZP Touch sampling rate of 1000 Hz with HDR10 Plus and 10-bit color accuracy, and this is a superb screen, one of the best you can get on a phone. There is no headphone jack here, and nor is there a dongle adapter on the box. The stereo speakers are very good with clarity and bass you wouldn't necessarily expect. Great for watching YouTube videos and listening to podcasts, but it won't replace your smart speaker for music. The fingerprint sensor is positioned low at the bottom of the display, a place I find trickier to quickly tap than higher up, where it is on other phones, but when you hit it head on, it's quite reliable. I much preferred unlocking the phone using face unlock, the downside being this is much less secure than fingerprints biometrics.